Today we are going to start a new project that is very interesting, that is related to the health, that is health insurance prediction by using machine learning. So we can predict the insurance by giving some data. Okay, this is the picture of health insurance. Now before that I will show you how we built an application for this model, so you can come to know the model and application of this project. So you see this. This is the interface for the our model. In insurance charges prediction. Insurance charges prediction. Enter the detail to predict insurance charges with vibrant colors. Okay. Age. Give something like give some data. Okay. Sex, male or female. Okay. Will provide male. EMI, that's BMI. Okay. Something 2, 3, 4. Children's, how many children they are having, two. Whether candidate is smoker or not, so we'll give as yes. And reason, neither nearest. Okay, southeast nearest. Okay, now we give the prediction charge. Okay, let's see this output as a result. Insurance charges prediction. Age we given 30, sex as male, EMI as 234, 234. Children they are having two, smoker as reason southeast. Okay, prediction charges as this 4300, 43,431.42, predicted at 3:43 p.m. IST Monday September 22 2025, like this. Okay, predict again, we can give other data and we can predict this. Okay, like let's see, we'll give another data. Give age as 50, sex as female, EMI as start as something 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children they are having two, and smoker yes or no. Reason choose as southeast. Okay, prediction. This is the only demo purpose, guys. You can understand. After that, we can provide you something large data, so you can get the accuracy and information of this project. Okay, insurance charges prediction. Age 50, sex female, EMI as 3,456, children they are having two, smoker no, region as southeast. Okay, prediction charges is 10,448.59. Okay, like this. Okay, this is our application for this model. Okay, now coming to the research paper. Okay, we are having two research papers. First one is an efficient health insurance prediction system using machine learning. Okay, this one is like the introduction content. They are having like this introduction, related work, yes, etc, etc, like this. Okay, now coming to the another one research papers. Okay, now coming to the another one research paper. This one is the second research paper, medical insurance cost analysis and prediction using machine learning. See this. This in research paper content like this: introduction, literature survey, architecture diagram, like this. Okay. Now coming to the importance of these two key research paper, we took some key points so that you can understand by easily. So I will show you that important points, and I highlighted and I explain you some like this. In health insurance prediction using machine learning. Okay, inside that data set, model use, classification and regression, accuracy and performance, proposed system, important of this project. Okay, like this key points I have taken from this two research papers. So can coming you can understand by easily. Okay, both studies used the Kaggle Medical Insurance Premier dataset with 1338 rows and features like age, gender, BMI, number of children, smoking habit, region, and insurance charges, targeted variable. Okay, and models they use linear regression, simple interpretable model to predict continuous values, support vector regression, that is SUR, finds optimal hyperplane for prediction within a margin. Now coming to random forest regression model, inside that an ensembles a model using multiple decision trees, strong accuracy. Okay, and another one is XGBRF, the regression model. Inside that hybrid boosting plus bagging model giving higher accuracy. Okay, now coming to the classification versus regression. The task is regression, predicting continuous insurance cost. However, features like smoke, non-smoker, region, and gender are categorical. So processing included encoding. Okay. Now coming to accuracy and performance. Model accuracy R2 score nodes. Now in model, linear regression gives 74 to 78% of accuracy, that is R2 score, and nodes basic baseline model. Now coming to support vector regression, 83% of accuracy and better fit with margin optimization. Now coming to random forest regression, 84 to 87 percentage and high accuracy robust model. Now coming to XGBRF regression, 87.34 percentage accuracy of R2 score, best performer, and MAE is equal to 2511. MAC is 19,429,024 like this. And proposed system input factors age, EMI, children, smoking status, gender, region, pre-processing, normalization, and categorical encoding, feature selection, correlation, correlation matrix, that is region often excluding due to low infected, train test split 8220, evolution R2 score, MAE, MSC, deployment, streamlit web application for premiums estimation. Importance of this project: financial planning helps individual estimates medical insurance cost easily. Policy making: insurance companies can design fairer premium structures. Health sector reduces manual work in risk assessment. Awareness increases adoption of health insurances, especially in countries like India where out-of-pocket expenses dominate. And scalability, models can be expanded with more features like health condition, lifestyle, like this. Okay, these are the some key highlights of this two research paper. Okay, now I will show the research papers by detail so you can come to know. I have explained some important points. Okay, and effective health insurance prediction using machine learning like this. Okay, this research paper contain content. Okay, and they have given this see table also. See this table, factors taken into consideration for medical insurance cost prediction, serial number, features name, description, values, like this they have given. Small like features name, age, sex, body mass index, and children, smoker, like this. Okay, and they have the some calculation formula given, correction matrix. Okay, here they have given, and correction matrix they have shown. Simple the input data, also splitting the input data, and this is the working methodology: obtain data, data pre-processing, feature extraction, model building, evolution, and prediction cost. And they have given result also. Everything I have explained. Okay, now coming, and they have given the graphs also, bar graphs. See this. regression performance versus other ML models considering their R2 score. Okay, and also the table to values obtained from various ML models, machine learning models. Okay, I think everything I have explained. Okay, now coming to the another one research paper, that is second research paper. Medical insurance cost analyzing and prediction using machine learning. Introduction they have given meteorology literature survey and architecture diagram also given. Data set, data pre-processing, splitting, training and testing data, exploratory data analysis, regression models, analysis of MAC, MAE and R, R2 score, and prediction. This is the proposed health insurance prediction system. Also data set they have mentioned proposed health insurance prediction system. Data simpler, data snippest, okay. And support vector machine regression, random forest input, tree 1, tree n, prediction 1, prediction n, average of all prediction and random forest prediction, linear regression, random forest, accuracy they have given some important points, performance graph of proposed system with dream ML algorithm. Okay, okay, these are the content of this two research paper. Now coming to the our model, I have explained you some important key points. Okay, so we can come to our points. Now coming to our code, I will show you. It will open. I will explain you. Sorry guys, it will take some time for opening the code. Sorry guys. Guys, it's taking some time. Okay, I will explain you. Before that, I will show you application code. See this backend code is running for application. Sorry for the delay. It's taking too much of time. I think software have corrupted, something happened to the corrupt software. Okay. Anyway, I am showing you application model for which I have already shared with you. This is the home page for the application model. Okay, I have already explained everything. Once again, I will explain you for detail so you can come to know by easily. This is the home interface for the power model. Insurance charges prediction. Give some age like this. Give something like you how much you want to give. You can give 38 age, sex, male as female, female, BMI. Okay, children how much they are having, smoker or not smoker, and reason. Okay, now prediction, it will predict and it will give as a result. Predicted charges also they have mentioned. Okay, like this our model has interface. If this some problems happen my software, so okay, thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any doubts regarding this model, you can contact us through our channel. Contact number we have mentioned there. If you need any support from us, you can contact, feel to free to contact us, so you can provide you documentation, video, code, and everything. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video.